Hey guys, what's going on? So if you haven't seen yet, I recently picked up a S13 Coupe, and basically this video I'm going to be going over everything I'm going to do to it. So let's get started with the engine bay. Okay, in the engine bay, it is a built head SR20 stock bottom end, big turbo, and yeah, you guys can check that out in the other video if you want to know more about it. But anyway, engine bay, I'm going to be painting it the same color as my hatch, that silver, because I love that color. And it kind of works with whatever color I'm doing on the exterior, which I'm not going to say what I'm doing yet, but we already have it planned. Anyway, for the engine bay, I'm going to be getting this SR started, hopefully this weekend, just because I want to hear it and make sure everything's good before I yank it out, because it's not going back in. I will actually be putting a 1JZ in here with a big fat turbo, and we're going to be trying to make some serious power on this car, so that's going to be sick. And yeah, so engine bay wise, pretty much it. Yeah, so let's move to the front end and kind of exterior. Okay, so for the exterior, this is something I'm most excited about because this is going to be like a stance build pretty much. So exterior wise, the front end is going to be converted to a Sylvia front end because I just think the Sylvia front end obviously belongs on the Coupe, and I got to get those pop-ups off this thing. So I'll have a Sylvia front end, and I'm going to be putting Origin 75mm flared front and rear over fenders on this car. So I'm sorry to all you butt hurts and I'm gonna cut this car up, but I'm gonna do it because I want this car to look insane. So I'm gonna be doing that for the body, and then I'll also be putting a Origin stylish body kit on there. You guys can look up pictures, or I can actually throw one in right here. So that'll look super good, and I'm gonna save the color of the car for the future. And then my favorite part is I'm going to be putting a 326 wing on here, just like my hatch. That wing looks amazing, and I can't wait to see it on this car. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for the exterior. Actually, I'll also be putting a roof spoiler on here. I have one for my hatch over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the exterior. So let's roll right into the interior. So on the interior of the car, it is completely stock right now. Stock headliner, stock dash, all that stuff. And yeah, the dash is actually crack free, so I'm going to keep that. Not going to do anything with that. It's got the digital speedometer, and it has a heads-up display, which is really cool. I'm glad I got that. Stock rear seats, I'm going to be painting those black. I'm going to be trying to get a whole black interior theme going. I'll probably wrap these door panels in like Alcantara or something. Just get them really nice. And then seat-wise, I'm going to be getting some Bride seats, probably some like of the Kevlar backed ones in black or something. And then my favorite thing that I'm going to do with the interior is, I haven't showed you guys this on Brandon's car yet, but we're going to do a video over his car soon. But he has a Starry headliner in his Mazda Speed 6. So I really want to do a Starry headliner in this thing. And that's kind of the plan right now, is to do a Starry headliner. I think it'd be super cool. I don't know how many other people have done it in 240s. I'd have to look, but that'd just be super cool. And yeah, obviously I'll get a steering wheel, I'll get the rest of this trim to finish the complete interior. And yeah, that'll be it for the interior. Gonna keep it super clean, super streetable, and I still wanna be able to put people in the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this interior. Okay, so the last thing is suspension. I don't wanna go too crazy because my drift car is kinda complicated right now, just because there's so many arms, like it's just super confusing. So anyway, on this car, I will just get modified stock drop knuckles. So just take the stock knuckle, modify it so that it's down, I think like almost an inch or two maybe? I don't know. But I'll do that front and rear. I'll get an angle kit up front because I want this to be able to like still slide, obviously, because 240s are drift cars. It's gonna make a lot of power, and I'm definitely gonna wanna get sideways in it. So yeah, I'll still have an angle kit up front. I'll get coils because it's on stock shocks and springs right now, and we're gonna slam this thing. It's gonna be hella low, hella low. And I also forgot to mention there will be a hydro in here because you have to have a hydro, you really do. And yeah, so basically car's not gonna be too complicated suspension wise and stuff. I wanna keep this car more simple than the hatch because it's not a full-blown drift car. And yeah, so that's pretty much the big plans for this car, and I hope you guys like where I'm going with it. And if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. Also, let me know what you think about this car, if it was a sick buy or not. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.